Everyone. Okay, the day is finally here. I'm so excited. I get to show you my new site that I've been working on for so long. But before I lead you into that little journey to explore more, I just want to say this. Some of you have been with me for a long time. Over 25 years ago, I changed my diet, beginning a plant-based journey, and that transformed my health so much. And it has for you as well. At some point, you need something else. And perhaps you're experiencing that too. Diet is the foundational piece in your body to feeling good. But over time, with age, things start to shift and you need something else. I have found what that is to change the tissues in my body. So I no longer have pain in my joints. And it didn't matter how much kale I ate or how much turmeric I took, that didn't shift it. The kale and turmeric and all those good components will help the foundation in your body, but you need to do something to stay on top of those tissues so that you can live with freedom in your joints again and do the things that you love to do. So, without saying too much more in the video, I now introduce you to my new site, Fascia Flow. Go explore. I hope you reach out to me with any questions, perhaps even join in on the classes. There's a full library of recorded videos, and I also do live classes with you. Okay, any questions, reach out. Just go explore, check it out. It's very exciting. My body feels renewed again, and I want to bring that to you as well. We'll see you soon.